Hello friends, nice to see you again. Today we will learn animals that start with the first letter E. Before we continue, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. The first animal that start with the letter E is an elephant. Elephants are the largest living land mammals. The largest elephant recorded was one shot in Angola, 1974. It weighed 27,060 pounds and stood 13 feet 8 inches tall. Their skin color is gray. In the wild, elephants have strong family relationships. Their ways of acting toward other elephants are hard for people to understand. They talk to each other with very low sounds. Most elephants' sounds are so low, people cannot hear them, but elephants can hear these sounds far away. Elephant ears have thick bases with thin tips. The ear flaps, or pinnae, contain numerous blood vessels known as capillaries. To get rid of excess heat from the body, warm blood flows into the capillaries, allowing more heat to be released into the environment. An elephant's most obvious part is the trunk. The trunk is a very long nose made from the upper lip. An elephant uses its trunk to grab objects such as food. Though the rest of an elephant's hide is strong and thick, its trunk is very soft and sensitive. Elephants also have tusks. Tusks are large teeth coming out of their upper jaws. A lot of ivory comes from elephant tusks. The trunk is also used when it trumpets. The elephant usually stands still, raises its trunk, and blows. This is a signal to other elephants and wildlife. Elephants tend to stay near water sources. Major feeding bouts take place in the morning, afternoon, and night. At midday, elephants rest under trees and may doze off while standing. Sleeping occurs at night while the animal is lying down. Both males and family groups typically move 10-20 km. Elephants produce a number of sounds. Perhaps the most well-known is the trumpet, which is made during excitement, distress, or aggression. Fighting elephants may roar or squeal, and wounded ones may bellow. The next animal that starts with the letter E is an eagle. Eagles are large birds of prey, meaning that they hunt and eat animals for food. They are related to hawks, falcons, and vultures. Eagles have long held a special place in the human imagination because of their strength and soaring flight. Eagles are found nearly all over the world in many different habitats. There are more than 50 species or types of eagle. All are excellent hunters because of their keen eyesight, strong claws, and hooked beak. Different types of eagle eat a great variety of animals. Their prey ranges from fish, birds, or snakes to rabbits, foxes, monkeys, and even deer. The main groups of eagles are sea eagles, booted eagles, forest eagles, and serpent eagles. Sea eagles snatch fish out of rivers, lakes, or seas. The bald eagle is a type of sea eagle that lives in North America. It is not actually bald. It has brown body feathers with white feathers on its head and neck. The golden eagle is found in North America, Europe, Asia, and northern Africa. It is a type of booted eagle, which has feathers on its legs. The golden eagle is dark brown with golden feathers on its head and neck. The next animal that starts with the letter E is an emu. The emu is a large bird that cannot fly. There were once several types of emu, but over the course of many years, humans hunted and killed off all but one type. Emus live in Australia and most parts of the country. They even live near cities. They need shrubs or trees for their food, however, so they do not live in open areas with no plants. They eat seeds, fruits, flowers, insects, and leaves. Emus are more than 5 feet tall and may weigh more than 100 pounds. Females are slightly heavier than males. Emus are the second largest type of bird, after ostriches. They have stout bodies and long legs. Their coloring is brownish, with dark gray head and neck. Emus can run nearly 30 miles per hour. If cornered, they kick with their big, 3-toed feet. Emus are fully grown by about 2 years of age. They live for about 5 to 10 years. The last animal that starts with the letter E is an elephant seal. Elephant seals are some of the largest seals in the world. Their enormous bodies flop awkwardly across the land, so they prefer to spend time in the cold ocean waters where they are great swimmers and divers. Elephant seals don't mind the cold water because their bodies are covered in thick skin and full of blubber. The males can grow to be 20 feet long and weigh over 8,000 pounds, which is more than the average pickup truck weighs. Female elephant seals are smaller than males, growing to about 9 feet long and 1,300 pounds. Elephant seals dine on seafood and consider squid, eel, octopus, and fish a yummy dinner. These large water mammals are willing to migrate or swim long distances to find food. There are 2 types of elephant seals, the northern and the southern. The northern elephant seals live in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of the United States, Canada, and Mexico. The southern species prefer the cold Antarctic waters. Okay, that's all for today. Now we have learned animals that start with the letter E. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.